students in your school throughout the day you see carrying around a bottle of water, or that older neighbor of yours that gets the paper and on a daily basis and probably just throws it away. Instead of throwing it out, actually recycle these items. If you want to live in a future of cleanliness, we should all start recycling. Everybody has trash and trash cans, but not everyone has recycling cans. And that just shows that recycling isn't as important to people. At my house, we recycle cans, cardboard, and paper. We take them to the local church, who then takes care of it. Today, during the time of my speech, I hope to persuade all of you into wanting to recycle. I also will explain to you what recycling is, how it helps, and what it does. So what is recycling anyway? According to the EPA, the United States Environmental Protection Agency, they said in 2015 there are 3 main steps to recycling. The first step is collecting and processing. The second step is manufacturing the old stuff to the new stuff. And the third step is selling the newer products at your local store. Collecting and processing is probably the most difficult out of all 3. You can collect from different places, such as drop-off centers or maybe even curbside. And then that leads you to your second step, which is then manufacturing. These new items are made from the old items at the manufacturing place, and then these are some examples of the new stuff that you buy in the store. But that leads us to our third point, which are plastic laundry detergent bottles, paper towels, newspaper, and glass soft drink containers. The processing of purchasing is the most items you have bought have already been recycled. So let's talk about the things recycling helps with. According to the Trees People article said in 2015, recycling helps with 3 main things. It minimizes pollution by reusing garbage. Like when people are burning trash, they are thinking it helps because you're getting rid of the trash. But it actually is killing our ozone layer. And it also causes asthma and coughing. The second main point is it helps preserve our natural resources, like using less trees. With recycling, we could use less trees, and if we recycle paper, like the trees when we cut down, we're creating more oxygen for ourselves. You've probably never heard of the third one, but it creates actual jobs. They are called green jobs, which you see, these are the people that work in the manufacturing step of it. They separate the recycled items from the non-recyclable items. This brings us to our last point, and that is what we can do to play our part in recycling. According to whatyoucando.com, there are various ways to become more involved. For instance, ask around your community and find out where local recycling programs are located at. They usually have signs around town that say recycling, or you have local bins by buildings and stuff where you can recycle clothes and shoes and things. You can also help by picking trash up around your community and look around your house. But before you turn in your recyclables around your house, you have to first ask your community if that item can be recycled, because it may not be accepted in your town. So hopefully we have learned a thing or two today, and we will want to start recycling. We have to stand up and say what we believe in, and I believe in recycling. So let your actions speak louder than words and start recycling.